Cześć! Jeśli oglądaliście poprzedni materiał, to już pewnie wiecie, że jesteśmy w Grecji i jeździmy sobie najnowszymi ciężarówkami Volvo z serii Aero. Dziś konkretnie zobaczycie Volvo FH16 780 koni, które wewnątrz jest całe czarne, mega. A razem z nami w trasę pojedzie człowiek, który pracował nad rozwojem najnowszego silnika FH16, także przed Wami sporo ciekawostek. Dodatkowo możecie zobaczyć, jak wygląda prowadzenie ciężarówki z kamerami zamiast lusterek. Dajcie znać, co o tym sądzicie. Miłego oglądania! Nice view. This is a good place for the break. So this is all black interior, right?
Yes, it's the new all black, yes.
Nice. So the mattress is black, I mean like graphite, but this one is very black. Cool.
Good to go?
Good to go.
Fantastic. Were you driving the 460i, say, first truck for you today?
460, yes, correct.
Yeah. So you have already had the chance to see the camera system.
Yes, but I don't remember this line. Oh, there's no line now.
Oh, the reason for this is very, very early trucks, and all of them does not have the same, exactly the same maturity level.
Okay.
So that's why some of the truck doesn't have the lines, but otherwise they are the same. So did you as well try which view you liked, if you liked the zoom out or?
No, I did not try yet. So. We go to the left or to the right?
Left, yes.
Okay, back. So which one is? Aha, this is the one. Okay, right? No.
No. There should be like a magnifier glass. There you have it.
Oh, okay.
So that one.
Ah, I see.
So it depends on what you prefer. It's obvious that you are used to the truck. It's obvious that you are used to drive Volvos.
Yeah.
I can see it. You find your.
Yeah, I know.
Find everything just like this.
Yes. yeah. Like this armchairs, to me, is always extremely important.
Yeah.
I like this Pilot Assit a lot.
You have tried it already?
Yes.
And start to like it? Yes.
Yes, I love it. I love it.
And why do you like it? I know why I like it. Why do you like it?
Because I feel that it can save the hands of truckers. I feel that when I was driving my first truck, driving all around Europe, that I would stay like for weeks on the road because I was like wanted to go everywhere. But also I had like a curtain-sided trailer, so many straps, and like to open, very physical job.
Yes.
And after a couple of weeks, my hand would be so tired.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like.
You should go right.
So I would feel like my hands were like swollen, and then it was like driving was not painful. It was like the hands became like kind of sensitive after a couple of weeks of such hard loadings and unloading physically, and then it was like okay. So I was like when you drive on the really flat and nice highway, then there is no problem. You don't keep the steering wheel that tight, let's say. But when you go to the countries like, I don't know, Bulgaria, or when the roads are so bumpy, then you need to keep the steering wheel.
Yes.
And then or there are all the vibrations from the road, and then it hurts even more. So
and it's a combination of the Volvo dynamic steering and now
exactly.
as well the Pilot Assist helps you to not sitting like this so much. And
do you go to the right or to the left?
To the right, yes.
Okay. Yeah, whenever I switch for my FH16 to the FH13, where I don't have Volvo dynamic steering, it's like I feel that this tracker is broken because the steering wheel works so hard.
Yeah, you feel the vibrations.
And after some time, I try to maneuver, so maybe it's not broken. Probably that's the way. Okay, this was normal for this truck. Okay, so it's not. But after VDS, it's like. Why did I get it for the first truck? I thought it was, I didn't need it, but...
Then you realized.
Yeah, until you try it, you think it's useless. It's like not necessary, but...
But it's an advantage that you, when you have had it, you realize that you want to have it.
Exactly.
If you don't have it, you don't realize how good it can be.
Exactly. Well, for the first time, I drove the truck with Volvo dynamic steering on the Volvo Trucking adventure. Yeah. So we were driving up north there. I thought that it's gonna be very difficult, probably, to drive on these narrow roads in Scandinavia, because I will have no precise driving. Because this is how I imagined that it would work. That the steering would be so light and so easy that it's very easy to just go on the side. But it turned out is completely different.
And which setting in the VDS is your favorite? Is it a light or standard or heavy?
The standard one.
The standard.
The standard one. Yeah.
I sometimes feel that it's a bit light, but it depends on the truck and the combination, how it's configured.
But this feature is really at first I didn't realize that it slows down as well. I thought that it reads the signs, but that's it, but no action. And then I was like, the toll gates, why are we slowing down? I was like, what is going on here?
Yeah, it's nice. And if you have good map data, it works fine. So the quality of the map data is, of course, essential. And you, of course, you're always responsible for your truck. Sometimes when I drive together with people, they expect the truck almost to be autonomous, and then I be like this. Okay, it's not autonomous. It's still you that is responsible. The systems are helping you and take off some of your workload.
Yeah, but the lines sometimes are not visible.
No, and sometimes the road is
bumpy,
and you don't want to be in the position the truck suggests you to be, and then it's easy to just turn it off. Do you know how to turn it off?
No.
So if you push the cruise button, you see that it's Pilot Assist, and then minus, and then you are on
minus.
Yeah, and then you are on adaptive cruise control, normal, adaptive, and further down you have the cruise control if you don't want to have
just a standard one without
yeah. So if you find it that the conditions of some reason is not functioning well with the Pilot Assist, you can just by going to cruise turn it off.
I like the Pilot.
And if you find it, if the map data in some areas is not good, and you find that the truck is adapting to speed in a way you don't like it, then you can turn off the speed adaptation if you like to.
Okay.
And that you do in, let's see if I find it quickly. So settings, and then you go to the truck, and you select cruise control, and then you can turn off the auto speed function. And then
this is fine.
Yeah, but sometimes the map data is not good, or it's not updated, and then suddenly the truck can be adapting to a speed that is not valid anymore according to the road signs.
Yeah.
So if you find it annoying, then you can turn it off. And the IC as well is adapting the speed to the curves. And if you in the normal setting find it too slow or too fast, you can change to 3 different settings. And if you go to the road sign recognition, intelligent speed assist it's called. It's not extremely intelligent, but it's start to be intelligent. And then you can as well turn off speed warnings if you find it annoying. But at key on you need to it's back again because it's the legislation. And you can turn off the sounds as well, so that you can play around with it if you like to. I don't know which menu you would like. You would like to have it up to.
I always like use the camera.
The camera, yeah.
To see some more.
Supports you as well, yeah, but not necessarily the rear one.
But that one is very interesting. You see the speed. From that point, you see the speed. But that one would be very useful for the job I used to do.
When you're reversing?
No, not reversing, but holding the blade, the very long loads.
Yes.
Because then it's like when it's the one that I used to transport, like 60 meters, 62 meters.
Wow.
So
62 meters. That's a bit.
Yeah, so you extend the trailer, so it's like most of the trailer is only like that, let's say like the tunnel or the spine.
Yeah.
So meaning that, and the blades of course are quite wide, like up to 4.5 meters or so. So sometimes when you're like on the highway and people like the traffic would be, some people would be not very patient. They would try to like pass like from the right side, and sometimes the pilot is not quick enough to say just be careful because he's trying to take you over from the right side, and this is like from this they will be like perfectly visible,
and it gives
so you see like I see what's going on the right and on the left, because like with the blades you drive in the middle very often, so I see that this one for the oversized, for the long loads would be really useful.
That was valuable knowledge sharing to me, because I haven't been driving that type of combinations, so I haven't realized that is actually a benefit. So thank you for sharing your experience there.
So this one has a D17 new engine.
Yes, it has the D17.
So would you like to say something about it? I heard the story like yesterday, but there were like people that sit there. They didn't hear the story. So if you would like to say something.
Yes, as we
like the story, how because you are working on the development of this engine, right? Did I understand it right? Or?
Yes.
So I'm honored to be driving and to be talking to you.
That's fantastic, and I'm happy to be here with you, because you have really used the trucks, the FH16, and put it to in situation where in tasks where it's meant to be, because as we have said, it's power for a purpose. It is for the heaviest applications where it will be very difficult to replace with another truck. And the combustion engine is part of our three-path strategy. We have the electric trucks, we have fuel cells, and we have the combustion engines. And combustion engines together with renewable fuels, we are convinced that is will be a part of the future for a long time. And since we realize, or we know that it will be difficult to find a good replacement for the heaviest tasks, we took the decision to take our popular D16 engine, and with that base develop it further. So we have increased the bore, the cylinder diameter. So the displacement is now 17.3 liters, and we have introduced our wave-shaped piston bowl together with new injectors, and to increase the efficiency in the combustion, to utilize the fuel in the very best way. And we, since we could, we increased the displacement, we could as well go from the dual turbo system to a single turbo system with a variable geometry turbo. And since there is in Scandinavia, for instance, there is you move to heavier applications. You can you have the 74 tons in Sweden, up to 34.5 meters, and we have a big portion of the trucks we are selling of the FH16 is to the really challenging applications in Australia. And over the time, the 13-liter power level has increased. So we are now at the high torque levels on the 13-liter as well, and it's sort of eating into the segment of the FH16, and the real purpose for the truck is the heavier application. So to make sure it does its job properly in the product portfolio and for the tasks for the owners, we have increased the power levels. So now the new power ratings are 600 horsepower and 3000 newton meters, and 700 horsepower at 3400 newton meters, and 780 at 3800. Yes, so it's a refinement of a really good, an evolution of a really good engine to make it even more powerful and fuel efficient. And it's about 70 kilos lighter as well.
17 or 70?
70.
70, okay.
70.
That's a lot, like.
Yeah, it's a lot. And that was a lot of the contribution to the weight reduction was the move from a dual stage turbo system to single stage turbo with a variable geometry. So that was one contributor. That's a bit of the story of developing or evolving our FH16 together with the D17.
And the previous version, the 16-liter one, will be still like available for the clients to order, or is gonna be like this era of HA16 with D16 will be like over, and then you're moving to D17 only?
In Euro 6 version, we are offering the D17, but we are still offering in the 16-liter in other on other emission levels for other countries. So we still have the 16-liter, but at a different emission level.
So I guess that FH16 in this Aero line will be, it's like more for the Scandinavia or Australia, like standard but heavy, like long trains, kind of. But I wonder if like oversized heavy duty transport company will like the design, and I'm very curious myself how like the cameras will be working for the long wide loads.
The long combinations.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm curious.
When it comes to the aero front, the aero effect, of course, you have better effect if you are about 60 kilometers per hour, and that's when the aero effect start to be increasing. So if you have an operation where you operate in a good average speed, then you will benefit from the aero effect and have fuel consumption reduction. Actually, I must. Maybe it's here. We should turn off. Actually, I was not focusing. No, it's not.
I think that there's the previous.
No, there's still. Yes, I lost focus for a while.
No worries. We'll get somewhere.
Yeah, sooner or later.
We have passport. Do you have passport?
Yes. Yeah, I have it in my backpack, so that's fine.
See. You won't get to China or
no.
to Russia.
So some customer will buy it just because they like the look of it, and you will have the benefit if you have the higher average speed, then you will have the more positive effect on fuel consumption. And when it comes to the camera monitoring system and the long combinations, I have been during the development I have been driving different track combinations, and I have been driving up to, or tested it up to 34.5 meter, and it's fantastic how well the auto panning is functioning in the long combination. You, instead of trying to lean over the steering wheel and try to see the tail of the combination, the camera is following the tail, so suddenly you can see where you're going. So that is quite impressive, I must say. So as I mentioned, maybe I have not been the one being in favor of camera systems, but during the development I have turned to see that there are much more benefits than compared to the normal mirror system. As we have talked about, the soiling of windows and the glass, and the glare from the sun if you have a low sun coming from the rear. If you have a mirror, you need to pull down your blinds to at all stand. So and that blocks off your visibility. And with the camera, you will see the sun, but it's still completely possible to see the side of the truck and the road. So that is one advantage, and just as we mentioned, the auto panning, where you have the possibility to see the tail of the combination and making sure that you're not messing up. That is definitely one advantage. I was as well, I've been testing in Sweden in really poor weather conditions with being dark in narrow roads and rain and actually snow conditions as well. And you often have hard time to at all see the side of the combination. It's you can see the lights, but you don't see much more. And then you turn off the infrared support, and then suddenly you can see perfectly in the side of the truck. Very good when you come to narrow sections and you just turn it off and on, and you can see suddenly perfectly. So that is clearly an advantage. And it will take a bit of time to not driving straight forward in the traffic. At least my opinion is that it doesn't take long until you get used to it. It can be you need to adapt to when you're reversing, and I don't know exactly what it is, but I suddenly had difficulty to park straight.
Okay.
Because there was something, so I had to do some calibration in my when I was reversing. But then you learn, and then it's natural.
Well, I think it depends maybe on if it's zoom in or out.
Yeah.
This is what I remember that when I first started to drive Volvo truck, and like the mirrors and the like the lens, the way lens, it was just a little bit, but I couldn't like park like straight to the line because it was I needed to learn that the mirrors,
yes,
particular mirrors. and I thought that I was straight, and then I was going out and it was not straight, and the other way around. I was like, okay, so I thought it was like not straight, and then it was out, so it's perfectly straight now. I heard like truckers like from the oversized transport like really interested in this new Aero line, and were asking me some questions about well, have you heard it's going to be like the available with this and that. I have an idea, but I can ask.
Yeah.
So.
And when reversing as well, you have the two different settings. You can pan. If you're reversing, you push the panning button, and the camera will. This is the one. But you will see it when you need to be in reverse.
Okay.
To see the camera is in two different angles to helping you to see bigger area around yourself. So that we can see. We're not reversing today, but you can have the chance to at least look at how it behaves. And actually another advantage, if you are reversing into an area where you, what do you call it, a docking. You should dock the truck, and there is it's dark. It's maybe inside or partly inside, or if you have a sunroof. And it doesn't take much with the mirrors to make it completely black, so you don't see anything. But just having the camera and the reinforcement of the light, you already there can see more. And if you want to see even more, you turn on the infrared, and it helps you.
But I am very curious about the cameras, especially, of course, for the oversized transport, because this is something I am obsessed about. But I remember that when I started to drive like blades, wind turbine blades, in 2015, I guess, I started to I've been driving with this Scania truck, 3-axle truck. And 4-axle Goldhofer Telesattel trailer. So in the Scania truck, the panoramic mirror was on the top, and the normal was like down. And quite often back then, I used to like transport the blades, the Enercon blades. That on this side they were like just straight with the line of the trailer, but on the other side they were like 2 meters, kind of like bigger. So
we actually missed
Did we? We need to turn around. Oh, so this is not the Volvo truck? Okay. No. I will turn around on the first exit.
So we actually missed it. I will see if we can find a good spot to turn around. But we will come back this road, so...
oh, there should be no problem.
Not far ahead. Yeah.
That's a good one to reverse. I mean, to turn around.
Hej Jonas, Peter. Gott. Hej.
It's going to be easier to pay like this. Hi, we have this device, but we took the wrong exit.
What device you have?
I mean this one.
Perfect.
Can you please?
Yes. So I'm very excited. First time I see a woman driving.
Thank you so much.
So have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye. I thought that that's something, and probably it's just a light, because normally, like everywhere in the world, it's not just only one. It works on everywhere.
So now we are sort of on our way back again on the right track.
Let's don't miss the other one.
And hopefully we can go through the village.
Oh, we should be going here?
Yes.
Oh, we missed a little bit.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if we can.
So we need to get here, right?
Yes.
So maybe I'll just mark it and we'll see
where it takes us. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So pick a point and. So, where were we?
So we were at the mirrors.
We were at
Yeah,
the
so
mirrors
we
and
were
long
the mirrors
combinations and reversing into
Yeah.
dark docking stations. Or yes, that's where we were.
Probably when it's like on the market and truckers are going to use it, then they will just decide themselves, like in real life situations.
Yeah.
If it's nice or not.
Yeah. But in my case, I was skeptic in the beginning because when the conditions are perfect for a mirror, the mirror is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
But there are so many situations where the mirrors are not good. For instance, as we just said, reversing into a dark location and the possibilities to see when it's wet and rainy and
Mm-hmm.
dark outside. So it's easy to think that it's the mirrors are always the best.
Mm.
But as I just said in the beginning, that I think we are. I have passed the tipping point where I find the advantages being more than and greater than having the mirrors. So I'm in favor of the camera system nowadays. At least our system.
Yeah, I remember the times when I was like driving like this blade in the very beginning, but actually for 3 years with the Scania truck, where there was like panoramic was here and the other was here.
Yeah.
And quite often I used to load the blades where there was like no width, extra width on this side, but 2 meters extra width out there. And of course blades are not like this, but they are like this. So we're like on the highway, no problem. But when maneuvering, I don't exaggerate, but I was driving like this to see like anything, you know, because like the tip was sharp.
Yeah.
And it was like
Very difficult
2 meters
to,
there. Yeah. So it was terrible. And then I switched to Volvo truck, 3-axle Volvo truck, and then with this panoramic, it was so much easier, and I could see everything. It was like.
Let's see if they're calling for us.
Okay.
I don't know.
So there we are not very far away. But I see that there is a shortcut. So now the GPS takes us through the shortcut. Through this village.
They're just discussing how to park. It says 3.5.
Yeah.
But you don't know if it's through the village. Probably not. Not road class 2.
Kavala.
I don't dare to. What should we do? Yeah, I think it's safer to go to the next, but since I don't know if it's too narrow as well.
It's going to be a bit, probably when it comes to distance, a bit longer, but faster in time. So.
Since it's the village and you don't know. You don't know if it was.
Yeah, it's just 6 kilometers, so it's better to deliver this truck like ready for the next.
Yes, in one nice shiny piece. And it's better to be embarrassed being late than embarrassed with a damaged truck. And I can imagine when you're driving the long blades, you don't take any chances at all.
Oh no. It costs like a really lot of money.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard the story of one truck once missing the exit because there was like a completely like the highway junction has been rebuilt, and like GPS didn't like follow it yet. I mean, it looked pretty much the same, but the direction has been changed.
Yeah.
So the GPS like showed the other completely something different. So basically, the blade like missed the highway, and he realized it very quickly because he realized that that's the wrong one. And this is a new junction, and it cost company 25,000 euro.
What?
Yeah, to like take this like hard shoulder like fences out and get the permission and book the police to close the highway just to be able to reverse into the other one because it was just at the junction. So, and of course to the next night for the second one. Yeah. So it costs like extremely lot of money. So no, we don't do that. But I'm very curious on the other way. How long does it take to develop like a new design of the truck or a new line? Or actually, what are the stages?
It takes like 4-5 years to do a thorough
what are the
development.
procedures? Because at first, the first stage is...
First you start with studies. You look at different subsystems of the engine or the truck, and you study the system, you calculate and you simulate things and look at the different pieces, and then you start to put them together in the next stage and look at an aggregated system to see if the pieces of the puzzle is adding up to each other or if they are working against each other in some area. And so you continue your simulations, and the next step after that is to develop prototypes, procure prototypes, and build.
So this first stage is only like on the computer, right? Like on the paper.
It's a lot in computer, but then you can take part of the systems and test them in component or subsystem test rigs. For instance, the combustion chamber with the piston, you can test in one cylinder instead of 6. So you can faster iterate and doing adjustment to see, okay, it's according to the simulations. The one cylinder testing is confirming what we saw in the simulations, and then we order prototypes and build a complete, in this case then a 6-cylinder engine, and then we start to test it in our engine test beds to see if it responds to all our analyses in advance, and we start to optimize, calibrating the engine or making modifications to the hardware we have selected. So you start up, and then when you start to be confident in your design, you start to buy the production tools for manufacturing the parts, and you order parts from the production tools and build new prototype engines and test them to confirm your early testing, and you start durability testing. We actually already on the first stage testing we start durability testing. So we perform optimization, and when we have confirmed that the hardware is fulfilling our requirements and we can optimize all parameters to having the right, fulfilling the legislation for emissions, and we have the performance. And is the map helping you around here?
Yeah, it's here. National Road.
Yeah. So then we take the documentation again, drawings and so on, and the softwares with the input we have got from the testing on the latest stage complete engines. We release documentation for production, and then we start pre-production testing. We build engines again, pre-series engines and trucks, and test them again to confirm that we still are stable according to our design when having the parts delivered from the intended production setup. Are you actually going this way?
But talking about the documentation, because you said about the one for the inside the company, right, for the production, so on and so forth. When it comes to like legal requirements, or there like any institutions that need to like approve, or?
Yes, at some stage when you have your components from the tools intended for a production process, you build your prototype engines, and then you calibrate the engine and make sure you fulfill the legislation in your pre-testing, and then you call for the authorities to be present when you demonstrate that you are fulfilling the emission legislations and the performance and all requirements connected to legislation. So then you get your certificate, and then you're on maybe like 6 months prior production start. So
and which stage is like the most difficult, or maybe?
Normally, if everything goes according to your preparations and analysis in the beginning, everything is just proceeding. But if you have a variation of some kind, either you had some parameter not according to where you would like to be, it can stress you because you need to redesign some parts, and then you have consumed some of your time. Or if you find the tools for manufacturing the parts, if you go from a prototype tool to a production tool in a temporary manufacturing process, there might be small variations on some parts, and then suddenly the engine is not behaving as it did in a previous earlier stage, and then it can be a bit stressful, of course. But we have a quite good development process with steps to take and checkpoints to follow. So
out of experience, or?
Yes, from many years of experience, we have developed fine-tuned our development process with test methods and procedures.
So how did it like look in the past? What was like to like design a truck? Did it take that much time too, like in the past, to design like a new, or does it take? Is it like more difficult to meet the law requirements?
The lead times are have over the years been pretty much the same, but the level of complexity increases. So that's one reason why it's not going quicker and quicker to develop. So due to the added complexity, both on the equipment for measuring during the test period, you need to be more and more accurate in how you measure if the engine is performing according to what it should when it comes to emission, for instance. And you need to refine your calibration, how exact you inject the fuel and how you burn your fuel, and how you treat the exhaust in the after treatment system. So complexity is increasing, and of course even if we are late, we I believe have the chance to try the safe stop. If you haven't tried the safe stop?
No, I haven't.
So if we make sure that we are clear from the back, that we don't have anyone. So
Wait, I need to take the Pilot Assit on, right?
Yeah. And make sure that you can notice the lines.
Yeah, the lines are there.
So 15 seconds, and then it should give you first notification.
Apply steering.
And another 15 seconds, then you will have a red warning. And another 15 and the truck will start. We'll put on the hazard lights and start to brake down to a safe stop.
So it's start. Okay. Yeah.
So then you can take over again and turn off the hazard lights. So it will take you to a complete stop, and it will turn on the light.
Like the beacon light?
The light in the cab, yes.
Ah, in the cabin?
Yes, in the cab. So hazard light on, the light in the cab will come on, and if the doors are locked, they will be unlocked. So to make it possible for first responders or people that, so people can help the driver, because then we expect that something is wrong and the driver needs assistance. So
this autumn we should see aeroline trucks on the roads already,
yes.
Right? I remember that, like as I told you before, like at the beginning I was for the 3 years I was driving the blade with manual shift.
Yeah.
And then the company started to buy Volvo Trucks with the I-shift. And my colleagues were like, it's gonna be shitty because there are so much precise maneuvering, like literally 1 meter forward, 1 meter backwards, and so on and so forth. And when you extend the trailer, also you need like the lowest gear, and you need to be like very precise so that the you like stop on the lock where you want to stop, and so on. So that was like they said it's not possible. And then after a few months, I was like wondering myself, how did I do this job with the manual gear shift? When I was like driving, I was gear shifting. I was using the radio, CB radio, to communicate with the pilot, and also I had the remote controller for the trailer. So
you were fully occupied.
But like all the truckers did it somehow. So it was like a pilot here steering, driving, and shifting, and the CB radio microphone. And then it turned out actually that with this gearbox, it was like even easier because you didn't use like the clutch that much. No. On like very tight maneuvering going up hills, because so often you drive like on the off-road. Yeah. So but there's like in this new line there is like new off-road features, I heard.
There is, yes. There is, but unfortunately I cannot describe them exactly because I don't know them that well, so I can't describe exactly the feature
You're all about
difference.
The engines.
Yes, but powertrain control as well, but not as much. But Vlada can help us to explain the off-road feature, because he should know it quite well.
I've been a few times in Greece with the truck, and it's always like this. So it's nice. Apart from the borders that were problematic, but now Romania and Bulgaria joined the Schengen zones. Should be like any problem on the borders anymore. But
so what do you think about the truck? It's light, so you don't notice the power.
How do you know? Oh, actually, it should be here, right? How heavy we are? We are 38 tons.
Yes, you could.
I see now. Yeah. So I believe that when it comes to these powerful trucks, powerful engines, you only like feel this power when it's really heavy.
Yes.
So when the truck is light, and for this engine 40 ton is absolutely light. So I don't think that. I mean, it's just like normal to me. It's not weak, but I never use. I never driven like weak trucks because it would drive me crazy, and I would quit rather than driving like a truck that can go like uphill. So this one is just like perfect, but I believe it will show the power One's is like 100 tons or so.
When
This
you
is
put-
what I see with my of course this is like a different engine.
Yeah.
But this is what I see with my truck, that when I'm driving empty, 40 tons, then I climbed like the some hill, and it can drive like maximum sometimes 70 kilometers per hour when I don't push him. And then I load some 75 tons, and it's like 115, and I have huge hill, and I drive 40 kilometers going up. So this is where it shows that they're like real power.
Yes. And you have spent hours in your truck. What do you say about the sound from the engine? Is it same or different, or you haven't noticed it? Maybe
It's
not paid attention to it.
No,
and
like,
it's not working. It's just cruising along.
like when you start it, it's small. But it was already warm. So the start, like on the cold engine in this, at least in mine, FH16 is kind of like really aggressive, kind of aggressive. And when it's cold, it's very noisy, but in a very pleasant way.
Yeah.
But this one, I started it when it was already warm, and it was closer to FH13 with the start rather than FH16, like the one that I have. But it was warm, and I know that when mine is warm, it's not that aggressive too. But when it comes to driving, to me, the sound is closer to FH13 as well.
Yes, I agree. I was just curious to hear from your experience and your observations.
Like to me, but this is again probably we would need like a second trailer heavy. To me, it looks like a mixture of FH13 and FH16 in like normal use, because this is like these are conditions for FH13, not 16. Probably this is, I can imagine that this power, this truck would be a big surprise in the mountains somewhere with the really heavy load. Shouldn't we exit here? We should, I guess.
Yes.
I can reverse here, or better not?
No, you could stay here. And we just...
If I reverse a bit, because there's like highway here, so we'll see. Maybe there will be no police here, so...
No, you had a chance to reverse as well.
Okay. Thank you.